Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be installing our Lasfit floor liners on a 2020 RAV4. This particular model is a hybrid model. On our website we do mention does not fit hybrid nor prime, but after testing on this particular hybrid model, it actually does fit. We will show you videos on how that particular looks if it's something you would like to install in your hybrid model. All right, now let's show you what's inside the box. All right, so the first thing out of the box is the driver's side mat. Again, as all of our Lasfit liners, these all have big tall walls to of course prevent any water, any dirt, any type of debris reaching your carpet. Of course, we all have these long, big in channels, which everything gets trapped inside. Whether it's these small ones, the big ones, everything stays locked in. Same concept as the original layout on the vehicle. It has twist tabs that hold the mat in place. So make sure when you install them, turn it to ensure that these are locked in. That's pretty much, of course, the front. On the back, same method as before on all of our liners. These all have the spikes, which is to prevent them from actually moving around. Aside from the spikes, you already know, the two locking tabs, which you have to use the vehicle's twist tabs to ensure they stay locked in. Compared to the original and other manufacturers out there, there's a common issue where the pedal does get stuck. They tend to get stuck right here on this particular area. And of course, you don't want to have that pedal stuck. It could cause an accident. With ours, of course, everything's laser scanned, so it properly avoids all that particular area of the pedal. So ensure nothing ever gets stuck and you don't have to worry about that particular safety issue. All right, now let's go over to the passenger side. Same concept. These have the pushing tabs, which on this particular model doesn't have it. But they're still there in case people wish to install aftermarket little holders. You could push them in. Again, that's up to the customer. Now let's focus on the mats. Again, it has those end channels. That's the main thing you want to focus on these. Make sure everything gets trapped. Big tall walls to ensure all the water, debris, dirt, snow, everything stays in the mat. In the back, same thing. The spikes to ensure nothing gets moved. Since this vehicle doesn't have the pushing tabs, well, these are going to work for you. These spikes will make sure they stay in place. And now the last one, which is the rear mats. As you could tell, it's one whole piece, unlike other manufacturers or the OEM where they're separate pieces. This is one whole piece. On this, of course, as you all know, all of our mats are all laser scanned, so we use the latest 3D technology out there. As you could tell, these go in again into your seat rails to ensure these get the most coverage. Remember, when you have people in the back, they tend to put their feet right underneath the front seats. You're gonna get some debris, some dirt buildup in there. This, of course, avoids that, as of course it goes in as much as we could to avoid any debris, dirt buildup on your carpet. Same concept as we've always mentioned, spikes. That's what we want to see on all of our mats, the spikes, to ensure there's no movement. We have kids in the back, older adults, they're moving back and forth. Some of the original stuff does tend to move. On these, you don't have to worry about it as the spikes. All right, so now let's talk about maintenance. Something, of course, people don't really talk about, but how to maintain them clean. Very simple. Just remove them off the vehicle, spray them down with any water. You do not need any soap, any hard chemicals on these, just pure water. Everything will fall off. Nothing sticks to these. Try it out, let us know. As far as, of course, on these, again, as I mentioned, these are odorless. So when you clean them, you won't have that funky smell. When it's hot or it's cold, when it's hot, these will not be too soft. When it's cold, it won't be too hard. Right now here in where we're located, it's currently about 40 degrees. It's quite cold in this room here, but as you can tell, they're not hard. Everything remains the same all year round. All right, guys, well, that's it for our install video. If you like this video, please subscribe, as it does help us show you more content with our product and, of course, future videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.